BullX Trading Bot tutorial. So first, visit bullx.io over here. You could log in or start using their feature by clicking on Connect Telegram. By doing this, you'll be redirected to another page and simply click on Open Telegram Desktop. So over here, you will be able to see now we have our BullX bot over here. So simply click on Login and click on Open, which will then now allow you to utilize our BullX trading features that we here are all the features of BullX. So you will now be able to utilize BullX, and you could also navigate through BullX bottom here. If you prefer, you could get some help or just learn some information on how to use BullX, but mainly you could utilize BullX in their website that will be provided for you when you first connect with your Telegram account. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.